Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in this video I'll be showing you how to create custom frames in Canva. So guys, if you take a moment to look over to this part of my screen here, you can see I have created a custom frame on Canva. And now I'm going to be showing you how you can also go about creating a custom frame to simply achieve the goals you want and to have a unique design in Canva. All right, guys. So getting started by creating a custom frame is easy. Creating a custom frame is quite easy. All you need to do is from the top here where we have templates, scroll to the bottom till you find apps. Click on the apps menu here. Once you have clicked on the apps menu, just go ahead and use the search to simply search for either frame creator, frame maker, or AI frames. So you can easily do image to frames, frames lab, all of these help you create custom frames. But right now, the app I'm using is the frame creator. So when you click on the frame creator, it's going to download or rather install onto your canvas as an application, and then all you need to do is simply click to add a point to start creating a frame. So I'm going to explain this in simple terms. Wherever you point to, that's where the frame or the line of the frame begins. So as you can see, we have this shape. Let me try and see if I can create something else that is unique. All right, so all you need to do is just converge the points together and you would have created something unique, something never seen, which is quite unique in its own right. Now, all you need to do is just make sure the frames connect and you've gotten yourself something good. And now all you need to do is come to the create frame and click on create frame here. You can change the border color if you don't like purple. You could set it to something like red and then click on create frame and you're going to have a red frame. Now, all you need to do here once you have created all these custom frames is to simply add your image. So head over to the upload menu. And then once you're here, just go ahead and click on an image. Once the image has appeared onto your screen, all you need to do is to simply drag it so it fits in with any of the frames. And voila, we have it here inside one of the frames. So guys, that's how you can go about creating your own custom frame. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.